In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this 10th scale four-wheel drive RC monster truck from Hosim. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, this is Roadside RC. My name is Troy. On this channel, you'll see us doing everything from racing, bashing, crawling, drifting, plus product review videos and how-tos. And today, a 10th scale four-wheel drive budget-oriented monster truck from Hosim. Great vehicle for getting in, starting into the hobby. First thing we need to do, let's get it out of the box. That is a pretty good looking truck. Things we notice straight out of the box. Pretty standard of the 2.4 gigahertz controllers that you'll get in a lot of these plus or minus $100 vehicles. Good looking body, really good color paint scheme. It looks like it was applied appropriately, not misaligned or anything like that. It looks rather good here. If you do want to do something different with your truck, however, they actually provide a full separate clear body. So if you want to paint it and customize it in your own way, that is included straight out of the box. It does have these simple USB chargers for your batteries, spare battery cover, a lipo bag, which is really nice for folks new getting into the hobby, plus a set of wrench plus nuts and a whole light kit. Lastly, what you also get really nice here, you get a full manual, full vehicle start guide, lets you know how to do everything, how to set up your vehicle, but most importantly, full list of spare parts with part numbers included for everything through the vehicle, and very valuable full exploded diagram. So if you do need to work on it, you can see where the screws go, what needs to come off in order to get access to everything. Further complement that manual, you do get a special card in here that is actually a thank you note from Hosim, but more importantly, email, phone number, and everything that you need in order to get in touch with the company in case you do need any kind of parts, any kind of concerns or questions with the vehicle. As we move into underneath the good-looking body, what do we see underneath here? First up, two 1600 milliamp 2S batteries. That is really nice. Those are really sizable batteries to be coming in a $120 vehicle. They fit here in the center. You can see this thick, just like chassis tub here in the middle. Man, very solid piece. ESC with two brushed motors. You can see those in the instructions. It is a full metal driveline. It is oil-filled shocks, both front and rear. Feels like the rear is maybe a little bit, it's got the double shocks on here, a little bit too damped, if I will, compared to the front. Front feels a little bit better for what we need. Now, plug here on the ESC is where the light switch does go, and so we can run our lights in. The front and rear bumpers have provisions where these LEDs literally just pop right in. Everything is ready straight out of the box. And so I am going to get these two batteries charged up, and we're going to take it out for a run. All right, will it do a backflip? No, it will not do a backflip. Will it do a front flip? Oh, ouch, almost. Okay, so we've had a experience with a vehicle like this before, and so we have a suspicion that it can run on 3S, and so now we're going to take this thing to a whole nother level. We're getting rid of that 2S battery that it comes with. We're putting a 3S in it. Let's see how it does now. It runs. Beautiful. Oh my. All right, so now on 3S, can it backflip? Yes, yes it can. Yes. Oh my gosh. that was like a flip and a corkscrew and all sorts of stuff and all in one. Do it again, do it again. Oh, and you still landed it. I don't know how you did that. Oh. Beautiful. Nice. You almost got me. Whoa, I thought it died in the air. Ah! It's got some power on 3S, that's for sure. Boom. There we go. There is the test runs done. We've run the 2S batteries through it. We put a 3S battery. The truck is dirtier. It's got some scrapes on the roof now from where we flipped it over a couple times on the driveway, but it is none the worse for wear. It handled 2S, it handled 3S, it did backflips, it did front flips, it ran through the yard. Overall did really, really well. Really a fun truck. As we look at it right now on Amazon, you can get this truck for, I believe it's $120 or $130. Makes it a really good entry-level vehicle for folks to get into the hobby. Try it out. Comes with everything you need. The chargers, the lipo bag, the batteries, the vehicle, everything. Literally, I think the only thing I had to do was put double A's in the controller, and then it is ready to run. Now, if you are a avid watcher of the channel, you'll know that it's very similar to some vehicles that we've reviewed before from Legendary. It's very similar to that, the dual motor setup, the chassis design, the layout, and all that. And all of these entry-level budget vehicles really do come in and really do provide like a service, a niche within the RC industry, helping to get some folks started. And that's exactly what these vehicles are here for. And you know what I do with them, right? I'm going to review them. I'm going to tell you what I think about them, and then I'm going to give them away. So I need to hit a skate park and I need to find some kid to have this thing. And so that's where we're going to be doing next. So keep an eye out for that. I'm going to have a link down to this video. I'll also have a link to my vehicle reviews playlist. That way you can see some of the other vehicles that we've already reviewed from Hosim and some other companies, all in that budget-minded entry-level area. So you can see really which one. Is it this Hosim vehicle that's more 10th scale, kind of a smallish 10th scale? They have some 16th scale, some 18th scale, all that are roughly in the right price range. You know, that way you can figure out which one works for you. So I really hope this was useful. I hope you enjoyed it. I love the bashing part of it. That was really fun. Honestly, almost all the video driving that you see is actually from my 12-year-old. And so that was really, really fun. We had a blast, nailed some pretty nasty front flip tricks all with this truck, right? Just out on 3S, out of the box. So I'm going to get to working on some other videos. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. All the support is appreciated. Please come over here, check out other videos that have already been made in the meantime, and then we will see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.